Good evening. The economy went through a frightening deterioration at the end of last year, according to business leaders, and they warn of a very serious recession ahead. Ministers are now set to unveil a package to boost lending to hard-pressed firms. Gavin Hewitt, our special correspondent, reports from Staffordshire, where some workers are having to work fewer hours in order to try to save jobs.
Frightening, awful. Just two of the chilling words used today to describe the British economy. Come to Stoke, as hard hit as anywhere by recent job losses. But that doesn't tell the whole story. For many, the new reality is short-time working.
I'm Tom. I'm now working a 4-day week, which I'm roughly £250 a month worse off.
I'm Linda. I'm on a 4-day working week.
I'm Wayne, and I'm currently doing a 4-day week.
I'm Mark. I've been working on Steelite for 30 years. I'm now on short time.
For this company, today was the first day back to work after an enforced 3-week break. Steelite makes tableware for hotels and restaurants. It is a profitable company, a market leader, and yet its 480 staff are now on a 4-day week.
Well, inevitably there's going to be some pain, and we deeply regret that. But our intention here is to try and retain as many skills as we possibly can.
Not far away, JCB, a British success story. They went down to a 4-day week in October to save jobs, but yesterday the line broke and they announced nearly 700 more redundancies. They simply saw no sign of an upturn. Many workers are very disappointed, but one feature of this recession is that the unions are often supporting short-time working as the least worst option.
Well, very upset, but it was an easy decision because I knew that it was saving jobs.
And companies are seeing short-time working as a way of keeping experienced staff.
The reality is we're losing highly skilled people, and that's damaging to our business in the long term if we can't find a way of bringing them back in quickly. In other countries where we operate, we've lost less people because there's more government support to actually go to short-time working week without carrying the cost of that.
From our research, a significant part of British manufacturing is now on a 4-day week or less, or heading in that direction. And a leading federation in the engineering sector says they've been inundated with calls from employers exploring how to move to short-time working. Nearby, Rayne Precision Engineering, they've cut staff. The 21 that remain agreed to a 4-day week with pay cuts to match. Some fear a 3-day week could follow.
That would be very difficult, but there's no other jobs around this area in this industry at the moment, so we would still have to stick with it.
Today's assessment of the economy was bleak. However, there are some parts of the retail sector that are taking on staff. But in manufacturing, more and more firms are turning to the shorter working week. Without a pickup in demand or without government help, it only buys time. Gavin Hewitt, BBC News, Staffordshire.